In this video, we will discuss about animal tissues, connective tissue. Previous video we discussed about that epithelial tissue. Now we start with connective tissue. What do you mean connective tissue? The tissue which connects or support or bind one to another, a tissue or muscle or bone to bone, that is called connective tissue. So this is the clear definition about connective tissue. The connective tissue means the tissue which connects or support or binds one to another tissue, a muscle to bone or bone to bone, that is called connective tissue. In this video we try to discuss about connective tissues, how many types, what are the compositions and everything. Based on extracellular matrix, cell types and their function, these are two types. Those are, first one, loose connective tissue. It is the least specialized connective tissue with less fibers. It is called loose connective tissue. These loose connective tissues are mainly two types. Again, loose connective tissue means least specialized connective tissue with less fibers. Loose connective tissues are mainly two types. The first one is areolar connective tissue. Second one is adipose connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is composed with hyaluronic acid and sticky matrix, and also collagen fibers, elastin fibers, reticular fibers. Adipose tissue is composed with mostly, in connective tissues, second type is dense connective tissues. This dense connective tissue means it is mainly composed with fibers, that two collagen fibers. Which are arranged in rows. This is the dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissues also mainly two types. Those are dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue means the collagen fibers arranged in a parallel rows. Example, tendon and ligaments. Tendon and ligaments. Here they are not arranged in a parallel rows, it is irregular manner. Irregular manner. Examples, epimysium, perineurium, periosteum. So this is the dense irregular connective tissue. And one more important connective tissues are there. Those are specialized connective tissues. So these specialized connective tissues are supports connective tissues like skeletal tissue and vascular or fluid tissue. What are those? Skeletal tissue means cartilage, bone, fluid tissue, that is blood, lymph. So this is about complete connective tissue. The connective tissue which connects the supports and binds the tissues. These are also called supporting tissues or binding tissues. Mainly two types, loose connective and dense connective, based on the composition. We know that fibroblast cells and other cells also present with fibers. Those are collagen fibers, elastin fibers, and also reticular fibers will be there. Loose connective tissues are mixed with sticky matrix, hyaluronic acid with fibers. Adipose tissues or fat cells are more composed, mainly present buttocks regions and the thigh region and bellies. Dense connective tissues, again it is composed with collagen fibers, but it is rows or irregular. Based on that, dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue. Collagen fibers are parallel rows like tendons and ligaments. Dense irregular connective tissue, it is arranged in irregular manner. And also lastly, specialized connective tissue which supports that connective tissues like skeletal tissue, cartilage and bone, and vascular tissues are lymph and blood and lymph. I hope you understand video. Thank you.